it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is cost of capital. Now, if you're a company and you need money to finance your business, you can figure out what your cost of capital is when you sell stock, preferred stock, bonds, what interest rate you pay. That all gets calculated into your cost of capital. That cost of capital is an important component because let's say the cost of capital costs you 5% and your margins are 40. You want to borrow that money and you want to make that profit and turn that stuff over. Cost of capital is an important component of financing a business. The higher cost of capital you have, the less likely it is you're going to make a profit. Those big institutions that are well financed, they get a low cost of capital. And those little institutions that don't have a lot of money, they really pound them with that cost of capital. Today's word is cost of capital.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.